What's up, guys? So today we're gonna see if we can pick this BKS Janus. It's the key, everything. It's a 13 pin lock. It's a high pin count lock. See if we can get this thing open real quick. Let me get my pick. There it is. There we go. Actually, should go back up here. Maybe that did it. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Cool. Boom, pop that one. Let me go to the back. Pop that. Do that, and then thing over there set, and then we'll check the top up here again. Then we'll check this. And finally, we'll do this one again. And lock is open. There we go. As you can see, locked it back. There we go. Cool. So now, what we'll do is we will go up like this. If I can get my light to cooperate, I'll take this out real quick. Hold on. Set that down. Move this over here. Move this down here. And this over here. Now we will gut this thing, I guess. Why not? There's a little plastic piece right here that holds this in. I just take a flag and stick it through. You can take a pick or whatever and stick it through it. Like that. One of those fell out. Normally you can bang on this and these will come out, but not always. There we go. those almost just come out completely. Okay, so we'll put those there, and then what we'll do is we'll kind of go out with this a little bit, like that, go here, and bring my light more over here. All right, cool. So, oop, that come off. I'll put that back on later. That, take that one out next. That one goes with that, I think, yeah. That one goes with that. We'll get this third one out. Got these. Third one. Cool. All right. Now we'll do this one next. It's going to be the fourth one. And we'll do this one here, which is going to be the fifth one. That one just popped out. But that one there is going to be our sixth. It's one of the tiny ones towards the back. That one is our seventh. So there we go with that one. Here's our eighth. We'll put these down here at the bottom of the tray. That one does not want to come out. So let's see if I can get a pick or something like that there. Yeah, there we go. That one there. Awesome. This is going to be number 9 here. That doesn't want to come out, so I'm going to take this spring out real quick. There's number 9. There's number 10. Pull this out a little bit more. Check around. That one there is number 11. That spring's a little messed up. That's number 11. And then here's number, I think 12 and 13. Yeah. There's number 12. And then 13 is the left side. So we'll do number 12, number 13. Those don't want to come out either. Gutting HPCs is the worst part. This is gotta be the complete worst part. Every single time this is gotta be the worst part. Because it's never easy. It's always just, there we go, finally. Okay. That's number 12 actually. So we'll put that one there. And then we will grab this here, maybe next, if I can. There we go. Yep. And that's number 13 done. Perfect. Now with this, I have no idea how to get this off. So I do not think that I'll take it apart any further from here. I have no idea though. Yeah, I don't know. I guess you take that front plate off or something like that, comes off somehow, and then you can separate the two sleeves, the outer sleeve and the inner sleeve. But I'm not exactly certain, so I guess I'll see later on or whatever if somebody says something about it. All right, there we go. There's a BKS Janus, and we're done. So yeah.